Hello dear students, thank you very much for taking our course in Bootstrap 4. In this video tutorial, I will teach you what is the Bootstrap paginations, how we use the Bootstrap paginations. Let me know about the paginations. Basic pagination. If you have a website with lot of pages, you maybe wish to add some sort of page to the each page. There is you have link many pages. If you have more big page website and big page, you can paginations 1 2 3 4 5. If you wish to go to like 5 page and 6 page, so in this tutorial I will teach you how you can use the pagination in your website. And seconds, what is the progress bar? There is a progress bar in responsive websites and also desktop applications you can use for your computer and your websites according to your wish how you use it. A progress bar can used to show user how far long he she is processed to completed. There is defined, it is depend on you, if 40%, 25%, 50%, 95%. You can see that if you downloading websites, it's show you the progress bar 1%, 2%, 3%. It is progress step by steps. These you can also use on your website. Third is the badges. Badges are used for to add additional information of any contact used for the badge class together with the context. You can use the extra additional information about your website using the badge classes together. In these three I will teach you step by step how you can use for your websites according to your needs. Come on the projects here, paginations. You can see the paginations. Here is 1 2 3. Next, which one you use? If you want to go for page 3, you click on that. Suppose it's go on page 3. If you browse previous page, you can also go. These call paginations. And this is the progress bar. You can use the progress 70% here. If you want to, it's 50%, 60%, and 10% and 95%. It will depend on your wish and your needs of projects. It is the badges. Badges use the examples of heading with extra additional information you can display on the with headings h1, h2, h3, h4 on your projects. Let's come on the codes. What is the pagina? How we use the paginations? Here is a div. We define div classes container, div pagination, h2 pagination, h2 close to create information. There is defined create basic information to add the pagination class. Here is we use u1 class pagination, li class page atom close, a class page link refer where you want to link it. Suppose you want 1 2 3, there is 3 page. You also can add few pages according to your wish. If you want to add some few pages, there is like we come here, three, it's use 4 and 5. Save it. Let's run. You can use 1 2 3 4 5, which we now edit according to your project. You can add it depending how much you want to add on your project. Next one, badge. There is div class container h2 badge for h1 example holding span class badge secondary new. We use new span closed h1 close. Here is h2, we started h2, same h2 close here. Let's check it, run, come the page h1 heading h2 h3 h4, h5, h6. You can use according your projects. Progress bar, there is how we can use the progress bar. There is starting div in almost you start in body section, a div class container progress bar with label h2 close div class progress. Here we define close div class progress bar style with 70% 70 div close style. Let's see it. Save and check and run how is it working. 70%. If we reduce size on it, if we want it 10%, here is a 10%. It can say 10% progress. You can use it depend on your wish how much you want. Let's add some other one, add few other, just copy and paste. Don't worry, I provide you all details. 20, here is 20, 30, here is 30, 10%, 20%, 30%, and you can make size like wealth is 10, his can 30, 50, check it how many space you want to give it. What we learn in this course, paginations, how we give pagination, how work progress bar and badge. These three things we learn in this tutorial. If you have any question related this tutorial, you can ask me. I also provide you source code of every project in details. You can download it and practice it. If you have any query related this video tutorial, you can ask me. Thank you very much for watching our videos.